How to make a good casing joint. The first step, prepare blank of the casing joint. It's 25 CRMO without finishing process and heat treatment. The size of the casing joint depends on the customer's order. The second step, the blank of the casing joint will be roll machining by automatic lathe for the first time. The third step, the casing joint will be heat treated twice. The first time, the casing joint in the furnace will be heated to 900 centigrade by 8 hours. Then, put in the water until it cools down completely. The second time, it will be put in the furnace again. The furnace will be heated to 400 centigrade by 3 hours. Heat treatment can make the material better softness and strength. The torsion resistance of the casing joint can be up to 1,000 kN for rotary drilling rig, 2,000 kN for casing rotator. The fourth step, the casing joint will be finished by automatic lathe after 2 times of the heat treatment. The lathe will cut the grooves of the casing joints. All connection details of the casing joint will be done by this step. The fifth step, cutting the hole of board by automatic machine. The sixth step, weld the conical ring, thread ring, and bolt on the casing joint. The last step, we will check male joint and female joint can be matched perfectly or not. The worker will put the bolt one by one after the male and female joint hold together. All casing joints have to be done the matching test before sending out.